If you have an old computer with old hardware and you want to still use it or you don't want to throw it away, you can use a Linux distribution that is designed for old computers with hardware that is not modern anymore. So you will get like a modern system with you can use the browser, you can install all different software packages, and it's completely free of charge. So I see so many people install new Windows systems, Microsoft Windows, on old hardware, and it runs so slow, and it's just crazy, and it's a pain to keep update all the packages, all the programs on a Windows machine. On a Linux machine based on Ubuntu or Debian, it's much easier because all the packages are updated automatically because it's just downloaded from the internet in a package manager. So you don't need to install one program um, for you don't need to update this program, then that program. It's all done with one simple command or one simple program. There are like package managers that will do all the upgrading for you, all the and keep your system up to date. And it's just much easier to maintain and it's much faster. So I encourage people to try out the one of the good Linux distributions. I've heard a lot of good things about Lubuntu. It's based on or Ubuntu, and it's just Ubuntu. I use Kubuntu in for my normal laptop. This is recorded in Kubuntu because I have a bit more modern hardware. But will be encouraged. I would like to try out Lubuntu on a like a old hardware if I get a chance to do that at some point. So the site is lubuntu.me, me. So it's just go and try it out and see how it works for you. If you just need it for browsing and you need a text editor, there's like LibreOffice, and there are thousands of other packages you can use if you need them. Um, I don't see any reason of trying to put a modern Microsoft system on an old machine nowadays. The problem also with Windows is that if you install Windows 7 or Windows 10 or Windows 8 or whatever, you might even be a problem for you to get the necessary drivers for your hardware. And in Linux, it's just much easier because all the drivers, many drivers are just available for the system to be used. So they're not outdated in the same way as they are in Windows. So it's the driver problem can be a very serious issue when going for old hardware with Microsoft Windows, a newer version of Microsoft Windows. And I don't think you will install Windows 95 on on older hardware nowadays anyway. So it's up to you what you do, but I would go with the Lubuntu.